Welcome fellow car lovers, today we will take a look at one of Toyota's most popular vehicle. Its old and new version to be exact, to see if Toyota have definitely made the car better. I am talking about the 2024 Toyota Camry and the 2025 Toyota Camry. Now, let's go see how they compare. Yes, it has lost sales ground, but for more than 20 years in the US, the Camry has been the best-selling sedan. The sole change for 2024 is that Toyota has eliminated Amazon's Alexa interface from its infotainment system. Otherwise, the Camry carries over from 2023 unchanged. For 2025, the family sedan gets a fresh look and bolsters its thrifty credibility by switching its once broad powertrain lineup, which just last year included a V6 as well as both hybrid and non-hybrid 4-cylinders, to include only 2 hybrid options. The 2024 Toyota Camry comes with many engine options and each have different horsepower outputs depending on trims and drivelines. There is a 2.5-liter 4-cylinder producing 203 and 206 horsepower for front-wheel drive and one that produces either 202 or 205 for all-wheel drive. There's also a 2.5-liter 4-cylinder hybrid producing 208 horsepower and a 3.6-liter V6 outputting 301 horsepower that are both only available in front-wheel drive. For fuel efficiency, its lowest combined MPG rating is 33, with its highest being 47 from the hybrid powertrain. For pricing, it starts at $26,420 to $34,295. The new 2025 Camry is simpler as it only has one engine option available, and that is a 2.5-liter 4-cylinder hybrid that produces 225 horsepower for front-wheel drive and 232 for all-wheel drive. Being a hybrid, its lowest combined MPG rating is 43, with its highest being 49. MSRP starts at $28,400 to $36,125. There are many great things about the old Camry. For one, unlike the new Camry, the old one gets a naturally aspirated V6 that produces 300 horsepower and a TRD trim that adds a spoiler and trim pieces that makes the Camry more sporty and aggressive. It's even cheaper too. On the flip side, being older means that it doesn't get the best technology as it only gets a 4.2-inch multi-information display as standard, while the new one gets a 7-inch digital gauge cluster. Its hybrid engine also has worse fuel economy, and the base LE trim is blander than the one for the 2025 version. Now, let's look at the good things about the updated version. Unlike the old one with its outdated 7 to 9-inch infotainment screen, the new one gets an 8 or 12.3-inch infotainment. It even comes with standard wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, which the old one doesn't offer. Lastly, although there is no TRD trim or V6 option, it still gets sharper handling than the previous generation. As mentioned, one of the bad things about the 2025 Camry is the fact that it only has 2 engine option available. Not only that, but the engine also sounds coarse during hard acceleration. Lastly, maybe Toyota will introduce more trims, but presently, the new Camry is not catered for every buyer. In summary, the old Camry is still a great option. Both cars have the same interior and cargo room, so if have the latest technology is not of importance, the old one would do just fine. Especially for those who want some more powerful V6 or sporty TRD trim. Don't forget the fact that it's also cheaper. The new Camry may be a bit more expensive, but the car also provides more standard features, including push-button start and blind spot monitor. It may also come with 2 hybrid powertrain and less trim, but it has standard Apple CarPlay and a base trim that doesn't look ugly. Therefore, the winner is the 2025 Toyota Camry. Let me know down in the comments below if you agree or not. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like the video, turn on notifications, and subscribe.